no sales. Out driving our 78 Ford Bronco. We're running around 60, 2,500 RPMs. Temperature gauge says it's about 11 degrees, so it takes a little bit for it to come up. I just started it. Got good oil pressure. You can see the fuel gauge at about a half tank. So heater fans working, radio's on. Pretty airtight truck. We got a little bit of north wind today. So ride's nice. Got a 400 in it. Runs nice and strong. Runs nice and smooth. Have you seen the video I did? Steering wheel's a little bit off on it. Got a little bit of pull to the right. We'll have to see if we can get it lined up. But nice driving old Bronco. Said no major vibrations or anything. There you see the temperature gauge starting to come up now. We drove about 2 miles. So if you're looking for a good project or drive as is Bronco, these are probably one of the best investments in Broncos right now. Is they only made them in 2 years, 78 and 79, so not a lot of them around, and they're definitely going up in price. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.